I'm No Spill Jill, and this is my gas can that makes it so easy you may never have to spill a drop of gas again. You just put the spout wherever you want and press the button. See? Now if you hold the button down, it'll stop automatically. I bet you didn't expect that, did you? Now let's say this is your mower's tank. It's so easy, and it even works on tanks you can't see into. And if you want to top it off, that's easy too. How about small tanks like those used on blowers or trimmers? Simple. And if you really want to show off, you can do it in a shot glass. It's the button that makes it easy. Our patented nozzle is super cool, and now we have extra wide view stripes on the front and the back of the can. This is No Spill Jill saying you don't have to spill expensive gas ever again. It's the button that makes it easy. That's on, that's off, and that's it. Get a No Spill gas can.
Thank you.